In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust your display scaling for your monitor on your Acer laptop, or tablet computing device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, select display. And then underneath scale and layout, you can click in the drop-down field here to select one of the preset options, or you can enter in your own custom one for your Acer laptop by selecting a little arrow to the right, and you can enter in a custom value here, and then select the check mark to confirm, and that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.